What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be transforming our buddy Rain's 370Z, a full wide body kit, and wrapping it. Let's get into today's video.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are installing an MSports kit for one of our videographers, Rain. You already know. Pretty sure some of you are really familiar with this Z. It's actually been through quite some changes here at the shop with us, from aim gain kits to this MSports full replacement body kit now. So what does this kit provide? It is a full replacement rear bumper, add-on quarter panels, full replacement side skirts, full replacement fenders, front bumper, and front bumper extensions. Now, as any other typical install, we are going to be starting by removing front bumper, side skirts, rear bumper, and making way for our mock-up. Now, first things first, let's go ahead and get this car up on jack stands, start our teardown, and hopefully we can put this whole kit on today, which would be a big jump in this crunch time. So with that being said, let's get to it.
Guys, this kit is pretty fire. I gotta say, Kevin knocked it out of the park. This thing's not even prepped, it's not bodywork yet, but wow, this thing looks amazing. Super happy with how it fits, and sheesh, man, this thing is badass. Let's take a look. So, front bumper, fenders, side skirt, rear quarter panels, rear bumper with a built-in diffuser, bumper slash quarter panel extension. All right, Kev.
You tell me.
Sheesh.
For I mean, the majority of it is for replacement parts. For something right out of the box, the fitment, the quality is pretty spot on.
Pretty spot on.
One thing that did stood out to me, and that a lot of these body kit companies might need to do, is riveting stuff before you send it off. MSports actually riveted the rear bumper, which makes the install a lot easier. So you just have to go in there and put some 10 millimeters and call it a day.
Nice.
So shout out to them and props for that. But minor adjustments, minor bracketing that we do have to fab ourselves, but for the most part it's a direct bolt-on kit, so pretty simple.
It's a two-man job?
What?
You convince your boss it's a two-man job?
This is a two-man job.
Alright, I'm up. What's up in the hood though?
I don't know, we'll open it right now.
Alright, what do we got here?
Some stuff.
A lot of bubble wrap. Woo! What's some carbon in here? A little bit of carbon. Needs probably some clear coat, but sheesh. Let's see how this thing fits. Guys, so it's Sunday. We got two cars. We had to call in the reinforcements, as you can see. Tino, you need these keys right away. Alright? Roll them all off.
SOS Customs. We got you covered.
Tina, you almost done with that wrap?
Yeah.
I know you like playing with stickers, but these are a lot bigger stickers. Make sure there's no bubbles in there, okay? It's a SEMA car. All right, guys, it's Sunday. Everybody's tired, but have to knock it out. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. We have to get this thing done. Kevin came out here. Tino came out here. Tino, are you gonna get this car done?
No.
You better. And Kevin came through, mounted all the body kit on this thing.
Daddy, can we go
The
now?
wrap's looking really nice.
Daddy,
No, we can't go until it's done, Tino.
But I'm tired.
Until we're done.
But I'm tired.
Okay, we're almost there. But this thing is coming out awesome. Getting this thing together.
But I'm tired.
And I think he's gonna be driving it back, so a lot to do, a lot to do. All right, guys, so it's Sunday. It's gonna be another late one, but big shout out to Taylor for bringing in the fuel to keep us going. So let's go give it to the guys. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? HBG. Another day, another dollar. Here at SOS Customs. Got my boy Kevin in the kitchen, in the booth, whipping up. We're doing some last minute procedure. I'm gonna say procedure because we cutting into the kit. But anyway, we gotta cut this thing. Make sure it fits on this thing. But fitment is looking pretty precision. Looking pretty. Shout out to the boy Kevin for helping me out. El Russo! You guys don't understand this guy right here worked hard as fuck. My body work though. Doesn't look like that bad. Mine's look pretty even. We gotta do the back. And yeah, we're getting this thing ready for SEMA. It's leaving tonight. And it's gonna be a late one.
Nah, fuck no. We're going home before 1 tomorrow afternoon.
Currently 2:30
It's supposed to be a short day today.
and we're washing a car at 2:30 in the morning.
Ooh, it's brisk too.
You know, it's a little cold out right now. This one looks pretty good, ain't gonna lie.
This was just a 2-day wrap that Renee helped us out with here. But man, this Inazatech looks phenomenal. Completely changed the color, completely changed the look of the car. Rain's gonna be here to come check this out. Finally all done. He's been here the last couple days just helping us get that final push. And we want to see what you guys' comments are like down, see what you guys think about this new kits from MSports. Let us know. Now let's go over some of the design cues in this kit because it is a lot to digest. This is a lot of kit. To be honest, this kit fit pretty good. Very minor body work, which all kits will use. But since we were only wrapping this car, we didn't do like weeks worth of body work. It was roughly about 4 or 5 days to do all the body work, fitment, you know, primer, prep, all that stuff like that. And man, this thing fits pretty good. This is probably one of the better fitting kits that I've seen right out the box. Especially like just looking at it, like especially like the bumper, like the finish on the edge of the bumper is pretty much like OEM underneath like the tail lights. That's good. Now this is the third piece of that. This is a 3-piece bumper, which like the full diffuser and everything's all built in as one, which is kind of nice. This is a separate piece that adds on to the quarter panel section, which is, you don't need to run hardware. We did just because this side, we're not really sure if we wanted to run double side tape or panel bond, because in the future he might be removing and stuff. And panel bond, as you guys know, kind of like, it's very permanent and you could definitely break fiberglass trying to pull that off. So we did it like that, so
if you wanted to change wraps or stuff like that in the future, that it'd be easily removable, and you could always cover the hole very simply with some fiberglass. This rear side skirt is pretty big and there's a lot of design cues on it. First you have this rounded edge with the little side splitter that kind of disappears, and then you have this whole vent system and this like built-in canard that kind of matches the fender cutoff. Like there's a lot of design cues on here. The vent system here, this bumper, I don't know with the lighting you're gonna see it all, but it definitely gives it a more modern feel. Has the scoops and the venting system and the fog lights. There's really a lot going on here. The hood, there's a lot going on. You have the typical HR hump in the middle with the carbon fiber vents, another vent that's pretty long as well, and this whole carbon fiber area with venting section as well. So there's just a lot going on here. It also comes with these two wings, so like this duckbill and this really interesting looking wing that is something like I've never seen before, full carbon fiber, which is really nice. I think the look is pulled together with these SSRs, which they kind of look like almost some, these are new from SSRs, but they look like almost like Desmond Regamasters, or like the Spoon Wheels or the Koenigs. Like they look sick. I mean, I think Rain's new look is definitely something completely different than what he's had, and he's always had a pretty dope car, but he should be here shortly. Let's see what he has to say.
All right, guys, so this one was definitely a fun project. This was something that, you know, we kind of didn't post a lot about. SEMA time was really crazy, but that doesn't mean that this project was not insane. This was a first one-of-one kit for this thing, first one here in the United States. Now that we are going to be opening up our very own wrap shop, we're not going to be wrapping stuff here anymore, so that's very exciting news, because we're gonna have another facility that we're gonna be able to wrap your guys' cars. And this was just something that we did really quick because obviously SEMA was right around the corner. But we really enjoyed doing this build for our buddy Rain. It's very fun and it came out super sick. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that like and subscribe and notification button, because this month I feel like is nothing but Nissan month. So if you're definitely into these type of cars, go ahead and give us a follow. Thank you guys so much. Here at SOS Customs, we got you covered. Peace.